I created these brand visuals, social media posts, and product videos in minutes without a camera, a studio, or even any video editing software. This is RiverFlow, an all-in-one AI solution for e-commerce brands to create studio-quality product shots, videos, and brand visuals. And in this video, I'll take you through the entire process, step by step, from setting up your brand to generating realistic product photos and videos. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. The first thing you need to do is connect your brand to RiverFlow. For this tutorial, I'm using the Freshly Fruits website. Once you paste your website URL, RiverFlow automatically scans your website and imports important information about your brand, including your logo, brand colors, product information, categories, keywords, and even your brand style. Once that's done, RiverFlow also imports your products into your workspace, so you don't have to upload every product one by one. And now, RiverFlow understands how your brand should look before you even start generating content. Let's start with the feature you'll probably use the most, AI product photos. Inside RiverFlow, open the Photo Shoot section. Here you'll combine product, scene, and style to create a consistent, professional-looking product photo. First, choose your product. I'm going to select my watermelon juice bottle, and RiverFlow will preserve important details like the packaging, branding, and label. Next, choose a scene for the overall composition of your image, including the camera angle framing, props, and human interaction with the product. RiverFlow already includes a large library of professionally designed scenes from clean studio setups and lifestyle environments to where the product is being held in someone's hand. And if you can't find exactly what you're looking for, you can also create your own custom scene. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose a product-in-hand scene. Now let's choose a style to set the lighting, colors, mood, rendering, and overall visual look of your product photos. You can upload your own mood board or reference images to create a completely custom style. Or you can simply choose one from RiverFlow's public style library. For this tutorial, I'll use one of the preset styles. Now choose how many variations you want. I'll generate 4 images. And click Generate. Once your images are ready, choose the one you like the most. And now, click Generate Angles. RiverFlow will generate multiple new camera angles from the exact same product image while keeping the product, lighting, and environment consistent. Now that we've generated our product photos, let's turn one of them into a professional static advertisement. Click on the Ads tab. Here, RiverFlow gives you a collection of ready-made ad templates, so instead of designing everything from scratch, you can simply choose a template that fits the type of campaign you're creating. Next, select the product image we generated earlier. From here, you can customize the ad by adding your logo, choosing your fonts, changing the colors, and editing the headline and marketing copy. For this example, I created this ad with the headline, 99% watermelon, 1% flex. Once you're happy with the design, click Apply. And within seconds, RiverFlow creates a polished, professional-looking advertisement while preserving the quality of your original product image. Now let's bring our product photos to life by turning them into cinematic product videos. For this tutorial, I'm going to animate the kiwi product image I created earlier. Simply open your favorite product image and click Generate Video. RiverFlow automatically uses the selected image as the starting frame, so you don't need to upload it again. Next, click Add Motion. Here, you'll find multiple preset motion styles specifically designed for product animations with optimized motion prompts. But if you want more creative control, you can replace the preset with your own custom prompt. For this example, I'll choose the Animate Background preset. Before generating the video, you'll also see a few settings. First, you can choose the AI video model. I recommend using Kling since it produces excellent product animations. You can also adjust the frame rate if needed, although the default settings work perfectly fine for most projects. And finally, make sure your video aspect ratio matches the aspect ratio of your original image. For example, if your product image is horizontal, generate the video in a horizontal format as well. Otherwise, some video models may add black padding around the video. Once everything is ready, click Generate Video. And within a few moments, RiverFlow transforms the static Kiwi product photo into a smooth cinematic animation with natural camera movement and realistic motion. You can also connect RiverFlow with Claude, allowing you to manage things like ad creatives and product videos directly inside the chat. Finally, let's talk about pricing. RiverFlow does not currently offer a free plan. The starter plan starts at $39 per month and includes 2,250 credits and 90 AI ads. Overall, RiverFlow is an impressive all-in-one AI platform for creating product marketing content. Unlike generic tools like ChatGPT, RiverFlow is purpose-built for e-commerce. Its library of proven product scenes, built-in brand consistency, ad creator, and video generation make the entire workflow much faster. So try out RiverFlow using the discount link in the description and let me know your feedback in the comments below. And for another useful AI tutorial, check out this video next.